Here in front of me, I have the pipe, and on this pipe, I want to repeat those ridges, as you can see here. But it's very tedious to do it manually by creating plane and going step by step. So what you can do, you can use a line pattern right here. You can click on it. Now, very important, a part pattern is for something big like this, for the whole object, where you select the direction, and it goes and it repeats. That's a part pattern. We don't need that. We need a feature pattern. And for feature pattern, we will select this extrude that I did right here of this basically washer. And now we have a perfect opportunity to select the distance between them that we need. Let's say 0.5 inches. Right here. And now we can select the amount that we need from 10 to 20. However, keep in mind that as long as one of the edge is not on this line, the whole pattern breaks down. So we need to do 19. Here we go. We had created our perfect heat exchanger.